Industrial robots revolutionize modern manufacturing, seamlessly blending precision and efficiency. These automated marvels streamline production lines, boosting productivity while ensuring consistent quality. From automotive assembly to electronics manufacturing, industrial robots redefine the landscape of industrial production. The Tesla bot, also referred to as Optimus, epitomizes a pioneering advancement in humanoid robotics, presently undergoing development by Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk unveiled Optimus Gen 2 in September 2022, presenting an upgraded iteration endowed with enhanced capabilities surpassing mere locomotion and communication. Initially showcased at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Day event on 19 August 2021, CEO Elon Musk hinted at the potential construction of a prototype by 2022. Positioned as an autonomous humanoid, the Tesla bot endeavors to address tasks categorized as unsafe, repetitive, or mundane. With commitments to improved walking speed, refined hand dexterity, tactile sensing, and various other enhancements, Optimus Gen 2 is poised for a potential release by the culmination of 2024. The proposed specifications delineate a height of 5 feet 8 inches and a weight of 57 kilograms for the Tesla bot, boosting a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms. Controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's Advanced Driver Assistance System, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. Kaleido represents Kawasaki's latest humanoid robot unveiled at the International Robot Exhibition 2022. Leveraging Kawasaki's over 50-year legacy in the industrial robot sector, Kaleido boasts exceptional durability. Despite its physical dimensions being similar to those of an adult human, its robust structure ensures resilience even in the event of falls. With a height of 180 centimeters and weighing 80 kilograms, our goal is to pave the way for its practical implementation in various applications in the future. For industrial applications, PAL Robotics presents Talos, a humanoid robot engineered to tackle heavy lifting tasks with precision and robust sensing capabilities. As the inaugural platform of the Talos robot series from PAL Robotics, it's named PYRENE and will be utilized by the LAS CNRS Geppetto team for research on navigation, anthropomorphic movements, and environmental interaction. The goal is to integrate Talos into a novel factory concept, enabling its participation in physically demanding tasks or operations carried out in hostile conditions unsuitable for humans. The Geppetto team's forthcoming advancements with PYRENE involve enabling the robot to traverse rugged terrain, lift substantial weights, and enhance its interaction capabilities for safety and efficiency. PAL Robotics engineered Talos to evolve into the next generation of humanoid robots by integrating cutting-edge electronics and sensors internally. Talos operates on full torque control, leveraging torque sensors in all its joints to ensure safe human-robot interactions. This functionality is further enhanced by EtherCAT communications, facilitating rapid data transmission and enabling swift responses to external forces. PAL Robotics humanoid robot exhibits dynamic walking at speeds of up to 3 km per hour. Its 7 degrees of freedom arms can each bear a payload of 6 kilograms when fully extended, enabling adept manipulation of heavy industrial tools. Talos software is fully compatible with ROS, Robot Operating System, aligning it with other robots in the PAL Robotics family. Uptech Robotics made a global impact in 2012 with their humanoid robots and AI companions, particularly with their flagship product, the Walker robot, boosting advanced movement and interaction capabilities. NIO, a Chinese electric car manufacturer, is pushing the boundaries of automation by testing humanoid robots on its assembly line. The Walker robots, developed by UB Tech Robotics, assist in quality checks for door locks, seat belts, headlights, and logo attachment. While specific details of the new robot are unavailable, its predecessor stood at 145 centimeters tall, weighed 77 kilograms, and had a limited battery life of 2 hours. This marks the first use of Walker robots on an electric vehicle assembly line, showcasing their real-time image capture and transmission capabilities. While NIO has yet to announce an official pilot program, UB Tech Robotics sees great potential in using robots to enhance productivity in electric vehicle manufacturing, envisioning a future of human-robot coexistence. AGI Bot recently revealed Raise 1, a humanoid robot with 49 degrees of freedom, 175 cm tall, and 55 kg. AI powered by massive language models enables fluent human-like movement at 7 km/h carrying 5 kg. Its modular design allows easy component swapping for assembly to caregiving tasks. Initially for industrial manufacturing, Raise 1's commercialization expands to home assistance. The modular skill hand system offers precise manipulation. AGI ROS OS integrates seamlessly with major frameworks, soon open-sourced. The Work GPT AI enables autonomous perception and planning. AGI Bot's AI brain dynamically allocates tasks. With reconfigurable hardware, Raise 1 adapts from manufacturing to home assistance, a significant robotics breakthrough. Jooing X30 is made to help in different situations like after earthquakes, in collapsed buildings, tunnel accidents, and places with chemical pollution or heavy smoke from disasters. It can detect and rescue people without needing anyone to operate it. The manufacturer of Dream Robot Vacuums has launched a humanoid robot and a robotic dog. These additions represent a significant step forward for the company, known for its commitment to cutting-edge technology. Initially showcased at the WRC 2023 exhibition, the robot impressed with its ability to prepare coffee and interact with attendees. Standing at 178 centimeters tall and weighing just 56 kilograms, it closely mimics human dimensions and boasts 44 degrees of freedom controlled by advanced motion. Alongside the humanoid robot, the company has introduced a robotic pet, showcasing its dedication to innovation. This robotic dog offers various functions, including barking, pawing, and playing music, with advanced recognition capabilities. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Apptronik, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Apptronik's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000, with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Apptronik's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Apptronik Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Optronic foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. In May 2023, Sanctuary AI introduced Phoenix, hailed as the world's first humanoid general-purpose robot driven by carbon, a groundbreaking AI control system. Recognized as the sole general-purpose robot featured in Time's Best Inventions 2023, Phoenix utilizes the state-of-the-art Carob AI system to adeptly perform various tasks, including object manipulation and organization. With its full-body mobility and human-like hands, Phoenix represents a significant leap forward in robotics, offering unparalleled adaptability and utility across a spectrum of workplace scenarios. Standing at 5 feet 7 inches and weighing 155 pounds, Phoenix exhibits human-like characteristics, boasting a maximum payload capacity of 55 pounds and a top speed of 3 miles per hour. Its cutting-edge robotic hands feature 20 degrees of freedom, delivering precision and dexterity akin to human hands, enhanced by proprietary haptic technology for precise tactile feedback. Additionally, Phoenix showcases refined aesthetics, characterized by an eye-catching design palette and polished textures that seamlessly blend functionality with visual appeal. Fueled by carbon, a specialized cognitive architecture and software platform tailored for humanoid general-purpose robots, Phoenix integrates advanced AI technologies to interpret natural language commands into tangible actions. Carbon empowers Phoenix to autonomously reason and execute tasks with precision, ensuring transparency and accountability in decision-making processes. Equipped with capabilities like deep learning and reinforcement learning, Carbon enables humanoid robots such as Phoenix to excel in diverse environments, guaranteeing adaptable and efficient performance. Sanctuary AI's introduction of Phoenix in May 2023 marks a significant milestone in robotics, presenting a revolutionary humanoid robot driven by Carbon, an innovative AI control system. With its versatile capabilities and cutting-edge technology, Phoenix embodies the future of robotics, poised to transform workplace dynamics across a wide range of industries. Digit, an innovative humanoid robot crafted by Agility Robotics, embodies the company's ambitious mission to engineer legged machines capable of maneuvering environments akin to humans. Introduced in 2019 as Agility's second venture into bipedal robotics following the launch of their initial platform, Cassie, in 2016, Digit is intricately engineered for dynamic mobility, featuring agile limbs and a sensor-rich torso facilitating seamless navigation through complex surroundings and the execution of tasks such as package delivery. Standing at a height of 155 centimeters and weighing 42.2 kilograms, Digit integrates advanced components including 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, multiple IMUs, and precise encoders for proprioception. Supported by 2 Intel i7 multi-thread CPUs for robust processing capabilities. Its adaptability extends to a payload bay accommodating additional computing hardware, such as Intel NUC or NVIDIA Jetson, enhancing its perception and machine learning capabilities. Digit's design prioritizes seamless integration into human environments and replication of human workflows, enabling it to excel in diverse tasks ranging from unloading trucks to moving boxes in warehouse. Its versatility positions it as a crucial tool in logistics and warehouse operations, with the latest iteration optimized for human-robot interaction (HRI) and furnished with manipulators tailored for handling totes. Essential plastic bins controlling goods flow in warehouse. While Digit's hands deviate from anatomically human-like structures, they are purposefully engineered for efficient tote manipulation. The robot's primary function, complemented by its ability to walk, step up on curbs, crouch, and execute other actions. Agility Robotics aims to commence large-scale manufacturing of Digit robots, with partner shipments scheduled for early 2024 and general availability anticipated the following year. Supplemented by a partner program facilitating adoption among Digit's initial commercial clientele. NIO stands as a groundbreaking humanoid robot crafted by 1X Technologies, a pioneering Norwegian robotics firm, in collaboration with OpenAI, a renowned leader in AI research. Distinguished by its embodiment of AI, NIO transcends conventional robotics by deeply comprehending its surroundings through a fusion of AI senses and physicality. Unlike its predecessors programmed for singular tasks, NIO embodies continuous learning and improvement, excelling in diverse industrial domains such as security, logistics, and manufacturing. Beyond industrial realms, NIO aspires to redefine home assistance, undertaking household chores, and providing aid to those with mobility impairments. Its potential extends to research applications in psychology and artificial intelligence. Weighing approximately 30 kilograms, NIO prioritizes safety through its soft, organically inspired mechanics, mirroring human muscle movement for seamless navigation. Empowered by advanced AI and an innovative VR teleoperation synchronization mode, NIO autonomously learns and evolves, augmenting its capabilities over time. Anticipated to open for pre-orders by the conclusion of 2023, NIO's imminent release heralds a significant milestone in the widespread deployment of AI. Humanoid robots symbolize an extraordinary blend of robotics, artificial intelligence, and human-like engagement. With their lifelike appearance, advanced senses, and intelligent algorithms, they're transforming our interactions with robots. As technology advances, humanoid robots offer immense potential to enhance various industries and improve human lives in numerous ways. Walker is crafted to serve as a nimble and intelligent companion, functioning as a bipedal humanoid robot with the aspiration of becoming an essential part of human existence. With its complete body flexibility and control, it ensures safety during interactions with people, boosting arms capable of emulating human movements. This robot excels in achieving steady walking across various terrains and possesses the ability to communicate with humans through speech recognition or by mirroring facial expressions, thereby expressing a wide spectrum of 28 emotions. The University of Tehran's newest humanoid robot, Surena 4, boasts impressive capabilities including grabbing a water bottle, posing for selfies, and writing its own name on a whiteboard. According to IEEE Spectrum, Surena 4 features enhanced tracking abilities and upgraded hands enabling it to operate power tools. Additionally, it can adjust the angle and position of its feet, enhancing its maneuverability on uneven surfaces. Built on Toyota's robotics platform, THR3 is the innovative creation of the company's partner robot division, meticulously crafted and refined. It serves as an experimental platform to test technologies that enable safe physical interactions between robots and their surroundings. THR-3 also introduces an innovative remote control system, enabling the robot to mimic the movements of its operator. With its adaptable features, the robot shows potential in providing safe assistance in various environments. The master control system allows intuitive operation of the robot's entire body, with wearable controls translating the operator's hand, arm, and foot movements into corresponding actions executed by the robot. Created by Beyond Imagination, the humanoid robot Beomni is remotely operated by human pilots who utilize virtual reality headsets and other wearable devices like gloves, with AI assistance to aid learning and pave the path towards autonomy. In a 2022 interview with Built-In, Harry Kloor, CEO and co-founder of Beyond Imagination, shared his optimism about Beomni's potential to revolutionize elderly care and tackle routine and risky tasks in diverse industries. Moreover, the company pledged to supply Self Labs with 1,000 humanoid robots over 5 years for integration into a simulated farm game. Kime, the humanoid bartender by Mako Robotics, presents a diverse menu featuring beer, coffee, wine, snacks, salads, and more. Each Kime kiosk efficiently serves up to 253 items per hour, complete with a touchscreen and app-based ordering system, as well as integrated payment options. Although it may not engage in conversation like a human bartender, Kime stands out for its ability to identify regular patrons and pour to beers every 6 seconds with remarkable speed. Ocean One, a humanoid robot developed by Stanford Robotics Lab, is delving into underwater exploration of shipwrecks. In its inaugural voyage in 2016, Ocean One ventured to the Mediterranean Sea near the French coast to investigate the remains of La Lune, a ship sunk in 1664 during the reign of King Louis XIV. In its most recent version, Ocean Anek, Stanford's humanoid robot can dive even deeper, reaching depths of 1,000 meters. Equipped with haptic feedback and artificial intelligence, Ocean Anek is capable of manipulating tools and equipment underwater and has already conducted explorations of submerged wreckage from planes and ships. Armar 6, created by researchers at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology in Germany, is designed for industrial applications. It can operate drills, hammers, and other tools, with AI capabilities enabling it to learn object grasping and hand off tasks to human coworkers. Armar 6 also undertakes maintenance tasks such as surface cleaning and can request assistance when necessary. On 2 March 2024, OpenAI announced its progress in integrating its technology into humanoid robots, partnering with Figure AI, a specialist in AI robotics and the creation of humanoid robots for workforce use. Figure AI, founded in 2022 in Sunnyvale, California, gained recognition for introducing Figure 01, a highly adaptable robot known for its human-like motions. This collaboration aims to address labor shortages and enhance supply chains, with Figure AI currently serving clients throughout the United States. XPENG Motors, a leader in electric vehicles, unveiled its humanoid robot PX5 in October 2023. Standing at 1.6 m tall, it combines industry-leading bipedal locomotion, dexterous hands, and emotional intelligence. We welcome your valuable feedback and suggestions. PAL Robotics in Spain introduced their prototype REM in 2013. Standing at 1.70 meters, REM boasts 22 degrees of freedom, allowing for a wide range of movements. Equipped with a mobile base featuring wheels, it can gracefully traverse at speeds of up to 4 kilometers per hour. Its upper body showcases a torso housing a touchscreen, two articulate arms that provide expressive gestures, and a motorized head completing its human-like features. 17th April 2024 marked the debut of a fully electric iteration of Atlas by Boston Dynamics. This new version boasts an enriched range of movements compared to its predecessor. Empowered by an advanced control system and cutting-edge hardware, it showcases remarkable athleticism and agility, establishing a pioneering benchmark in robotics. Spot, a remarkable creation by Boston Dynamics, heralded a new era in commercial robotics, finding wide-ranging applications in fields such as healthcare, law enforcement, and construction, owing to its autonomy and versatility. Unveiled on 23 June 2016, Spot represents a lightweight, four-legged robot inspired by canines, weighing a mere 25 kilograms, making it lighter than other Boston Dynamics products. Spot gained significant attention in November 2017 when a video showcasing its ability to use its claw to open a door went viral on YouTube, quickly reached #1 with over 2 million views. Another video in the same month depicted Spot persistently attempting to open the door despite human interference, eliciting varied reactions from viewers. On 11 May 2018, Boston Dynamics CEO announced Spot's transition to pre-production, with plans for commercial availability in 2019. However, in September 2019, it was revealed that Spot would be leased to selected business partners rather than being sold outright. In November 2019, the Massachusetts State Police became the first law enforcement agency to deploy Spot in their bomb squad operations. Spot's SDK became accessible on 23 January 2020, enabling programmers to develop custom applications for various industries. On 16 June 2020, Spot became available for purchase by the general public at a price of $74,500. Spot's versatility was further demonstrated in various noteworthy events. In June 2020, a Spot named Zeus assisted SpaceX at their Boca Chica Starship test site. In July 2020, a team of Spot robots served as cheerleaders at a baseball match in Japan, alongside SoftBank Pepper robots. Spot conducted inspection tasks on the SCAR floating production storage and offloading vessel in November 2020. In April 2021, a YouTube video showcased Spot dispensing beer into red plastic cups, while in March 2022, Spot created a painting titled Sunrise March, which was sold for $40,000 to benefit Ukrainian refugees. Handle is a research robot developed by Boston Dynamics, featuring two flexible legs on wheels and two manipulator arms for grasping or transporting objects. Standing at a height of 6.5 feet, Handle exhibits remarkable mobility, capable of traveling at speeds of up to 9 miles per hour and leaping vertically up to 4 feet. Its propulsion relies on electric power, enabling the operation of various electric and hydraulic actuators, with a travel range of approximately 15 miles on a single battery charge. While Handle shares many dynamics, balance, and mobile manipulation principles with other robots from Boston Dynamics, it distinguishes itself with a simpler design, comprising only about 10 actuated joints. Despite its reduced complexity, Handle showcases exceptional agility and efficiency in navigating diverse environments and performing manipulation tasks. Boston Dynamics unveiled the Stretch robot for warehouse automation through a video on their YouTube channel on 29 March 2021. This innovative robot features a square mobile base equipped with wheels, along with a perception mast containing cameras and various sensors. Additionally, Stretch boasts a robotic arm with 7 degrees of freedom and a suction pad array at its end, enabling it to securely grasp and relocate boxes weighing up to 23 kilograms. Pick, much like Stretch in its functionality, remains stationed in a fixed position. Designed primarily for handling boxes, Pick efficiently identifies boxes in less than a second. Additionally, it autonomously removes the cardboard sheet, streamlining the box handling process seamlessly. Boston Dynamics' commitment to pushing the boundaries of robotics is exemplified by its diverse array of creations, spanning from the logistical capabilities of Handle to the revolutionary impact of Stretch on warehouse automation. Progressing from the early development of Big Dog in 2005 to the synchronized movements of Atlas and Spot in 2021, their trajectory symbolized the integration of engineering ingenuity with forward-looking aspirations. Turkey's first humanoid robot factory, launched by Akin Robotics in Konya in March 2024, produces versatile robots for entertainment, healthcare, and hospitality industries. In China, a factory replaced 90% of its workforce with robots, resulting in a 250% productivity boost and fewer defects. The Hive warehouse in the UK employs over 2,000 robots, completing tasks 5 times faster than humans. Alibaba's warehouse in China saw a 300% productivity increase with 1,000 intelligent robots handling navigation, tasks, and recharging autonomously. Xionet's Istanbul facility hosts Europe's largest robotic sortation system, processing 45,000 items per hour with 120 autonomous mobile robots, signaling a logistics revolution for enhanced efficiency and environmental sustainability. A new AI humanoid robot, named XAND, has been unveiled by Robot Era. It's touted as a game-changer in embodied AI, aimed at creating robots that interact with the real world like humans. XAND boasts 12 active degrees of freedom, enabling human-like movement and flexibility. Equipped with built-in tactile sensors, it can sense and feel objects it touches, ensuring precise and smooth movements. What's remarkable is that Robot Era claims the technology behind XAND is fully self-developed, despite being a newcomer in the robotics and AI industry, founded only in 2023. While details about its cost and availability remain undisclosed, XAND appears to be a significant step towards embodying AI, especially as discussions about achieving AGI gain momentum. Robot Era, known for its focus on developing general-purpose humanoid robots, utilizes reinforcement learning in projects like Humanoid GY. This approach enables training robots to mimic human capabilities, utilizing concepts like zero-shot sim to real transfer to seamlessly transition from simulated to real-world environments. Beyond these technicalities, a showcase video released by Robot Era showcases XAND's capabilities, revealing a fascinating glimpse into its potential. Olivia, created at the R Social Robotics Lab in Singapore, is a multifunctional robot acting as both a receptionist and a personal assistant. It utilizes camera, eyes, and microphones to interact with people, aiming to eventually respond to natural speech and display emotions. Standing at 1.6 meters tall and weighing 152 kilograms, Olivia is equipped with a Core i7 processor, and future plans include mobility and improved hands for object manipulation. Humanoid robots have advanced significantly thanks to reinforcement learning, yet their inherent complexity, like devising complex reward systems and training comprehensive systems, remains a challenge. To address this, P&D Robotics developed Adam, a full-scale humanoid robot with an innovative design enhancing imitation learning efficiency. They also created an imitation learning framework based on an adversarial motion prior, applicable to Adam and other humanoid robots. Through this, Adam exhibits human-like qualities in locomotion tasks. Their experiments show Adam can match human performance in complex locomotion tasks, a groundbreaking use of human locomotion data in full-scale humanoid robot learning. From Beijing emerges a groundbreaking development, Tiangong, the world's first fully electric anthropomorphic robot. Developed by the Beijing Humanoid Innovation Center, Tiangong represents a giant leap in robotics, boosting exceptional adaptability in mimicking human foot movements across various terrains. Its open-source nature invites global collaboration, accelerating advancements and fostering a diverse community of contributors. With multiple visual perception sensors and advanced motion control methods, Tiangong achieves natural and efficient movement patterns, reaching speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour, a remarkable feat with practical applications across industries. China's latest AI and robotics advancements are turning heads worldwide. The unveiling of the AST S1 robot from Shenzhen, China, has left many astonished. This fully autonomous humanoid star robotics system boasts unprecedented speed and fluidity in completing tasks. From lightning-fast cup stacking to sophisticated object identification, the AST S1 showcases remarkable capabilities. What's particularly impressive is its integration of a large language model and vision system, enabling it to interact with its environment and make decisions autonomously. The AST S1's agility and efficiency challenge conventional notions of humanoid robotics, proving that simplicity and fluidity can be as effective as complex designs. While some may remain skeptical, the AST S1's demonstration suggests that China is leading the charge in robotics innovation. The prospect of commercialization in 2024 raises anticipation for its potential impact on various industries. As the boundaries of humanoid robotics continue to be pushed, the AST S1 signals a new era of competition and possibilities in AI and robotics. Unitary Robotics unveiled the G1, a $166,000 humanoid robot, akin to a small car. This technological marvel surpasses its $150,000 predecessor, offering enhanced capabilities. Featuring hollow joint wiring for flexibility, it boasts 23 to 43 joint motors, human-like hands, and three-fingered grippers for precise object manipulation. The G1 excels in adaptability, utilizing imitation and reinforcement learning for diverse tasks, from household chores to industrial applications. Operating at 2 meters per second, it manages tasks efficiently but requires frequent recharging due to its 2-hour battery life. The G1 signifies a significant leap in humanoid robotics accessibility and advancement. LIMEX Dynamics stands as a pioneering force in the realm of general-purpose robotics, supported by extensive academic and technological prowess. Their primary focus revolves around researching, developing, and manufacturing exceptional general-purpose robots propelled by embodied AI technology. Their product range encompasses humanoid robots, wheeled quadruped robots, and comprehensive robotic software and hardware solutions, catering to a diverse array of industries such as automotive manufacturing, industrial inspections, logistics and distribution, specialized operations, and household services, addressing both B2B and B2C markets. Since their inception in 2005, LIMEX Dynamics has fostered collaborative partnerships with renowned scholars and esteemed institutions worldwide, driving pioneering research in robotics, software algorithms, and AI. Committed to catalyzing disruptive innovation within the robotics sphere, their pursuit of a versatile general-purpose robot capable of navigating diverse terrains and executing various mobile manipulation tasks stands poised to redefine societal norms and bridge the gap between humans and robots. Through their unwavering dedication to technological advancement, LIMEX Dynamics aims to unlock the full potential of robotics, empowering humanity to achieve unprecedented heights. LIMEX Dynamics Biped Robot P1 embodies groundbreaking innovation, featuring state-of-the-art zero-shot learning technology. Functioning under completely transparent testing conditions, P1 adeptly maneuvered through wilderness environments with unmatched precision and stability. Through the power of reinforcement learning, P1 effortlessly adapted to various terrains, highlighting its extraordinary capabilities. Additionally, LIMEX Dynamics stands at the forefront of manipulation and locomanipulation techniques for humanoid robots, promising further advancements in robotic innovation. The Fourier GR1, engineered by Fourier Intelligence, marks a groundbreaking advancement in healthcare robotics with a focus on improving caregiving efficacy and strength. Standing at 165 centimeters tall and weighing 121 pounds, the GR1 showcases impressive self-balancing capabilities and can achieve a maximum walking speed of around 3 miles per hour. Equipped with 40 FSA joints providing 44 full-body degrees of freedom, this humanoid robot harnesses embodied AI technology, offering a scalable platform for testing and validating various AI models and algorithms. With its ability to handle weights up to 110 pounds, the GR1 demonstrates versatility in maneuvering through obstacles, manipulating tools, and aiding in physical therapy tasks, presenting promising opportunities for revolutionizing caregiving practices, particularly for elderly individuals living independently. Fourier Intelligence's ambitious initiative aims to produce 100 units of the GR1 by the end of 2023, initially focusing on outfitting them with fundamental hardware-software functionalities. These units will be deployed to research and development labs to refine and enhance the robot's intelligence and capabilities before broader adoption. The emergence of the GR1 signifies a significant advancement in integrating humanoid robots into caregiving roles, offering a potential solution to the challenges posed by aging populations worldwide. The Unri H1 represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, originating from Unri, an innovative Chinese startup recognized for its expertise in quadruped robotics. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighing around 47 kilograms, the H1 debuts as Unri's first humanoid robot. Enhanced with a 3D LiDAR sensor and depth camera for perception, the H1 possesses the ability to gather precise spatial data and conduct panoramic scanning. Internally, it features high-torque joint motors and gear trains, delivering a maximum joint torque of 360 nanometers. With 5 degrees of freedom in the leg joints and 4 in the arms, the Unri H1 utilizes embodied AI technology, integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to interact intelligently with its surroundings. Displaying human-like understanding and response capabilities, the H1 demonstrates versatile and precise movements across various applications. It autonomously navigates and traverses complex terrains and environments, achieving a walking speed exceeding 1.5 meters per second and a potential top speed surpassing 5 meters per second. Notably, its competitive pricing, below $90,000, democratize access to advanced robotic technology, expanding its applicability to a broader market. Despite its lightweight construction and towering stature, the H1 maintains stability even under significant shocks at its stability points. With a leg length of 400 mm and an arm length of 338 mm, the H1 showcases remarkable physical specifications, enabling its deployment across diverse industries, services, and applications, signaling the onset of a new industrial revolution in robotics. The quadruped robot B2 manufactured by Unitree Robotics is specifically designed for research and development purposes. It incorporates numerous advanced technical features. Firstly, it is characterized by its remarkable speed, capable of reaching up to 6 meters per second. Additionally, the B2 robot dog is built to navigate various terrains adeptly, ensuring steady movements even on slippery or uneven surfaces. Furthermore, it exhibits stability and balance during stair climbing, managing ascents of up to 40 centimeters in height with ease. Equipped with knee joint motors providing 360 Nm of torque, it offers a 170% increase in joint performance, making it highly versatile for a range of tasks. Moreover, the B2 boasts impressive endurance, with a battery life that enables over 5 hours of uninterrupted walking without a load, covering distances exceeding 20 kilometers, an impressive 200% increase compared to its predecessor, the B1 robot dog. In terms of equipment, the B2 features high-quality components such as the optional Rupees Helios 32 3D LiDAR, depth camera, high-performance M107 joint modules, and a large-capacity 45Ah battery. The Unitree BW, a groundbreaking wheel-legged robot, is transforming the world of robotic technology with its exceptional versatility and speed. Its innovative features redefine what's possible in the field. It seamlessly blends legged agility with wheel speed, offering unparalleled adaptability. With speeds reaching up to 22 miles per hour on flat surfaces, it sets a new standard for robotic mobility. Navigating challenging environments like stairs and uneven surfaces with remarkable ease ensures efficiency in various scenarios. From search and rescue missions to maintenance tasks, logistics, and even entertainment, the Unitree BW showcases its versatility across a wide range of applications. Beyond its impressive speed and adaptability, its modular design facilitates easy maintenance and customization, ensuring longevity and adaptability to evolving needs. Powered by a sophisticated onboard computer, it operates autonomously, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it gains a comprehensive understanding of its surroundings, enabling precise navigation and interaction. By embracing an open-source approach, it encourages collaboration and innovation among developers, paving the way for continuous improvement and expansion of its capabilities. The Unitree BW represents a remarkable advancement in robotics, bridging the gap between speed and maneuverability. With its unmatched capabilities, it opens up new possibilities in sectors such as rescue operations, maintenance, logistics, and beyond, showcasing the transformative potential of modern robotics. The Go2 is an advanced quadruped robot succeeding the popular Go1 model. Designed with a sleek and agile build, it seamlessly incorporates cutting-edge technology. Tailored for research and higher education, the EduPlus version of the Go2 is customizable, providing users with endless possibilities to create and explore their own robotic applications. Available in multiple configurations, such as the Go2 EduPlus with 40 TOPS computing and the Go2 EduPlus with 100 TOPS computing, this robot offers varying levels of computing power, each equipped with AI algorithms. Additionally, versions like the Go2 EduPlus 3D and the Go2 EduPlus 3D feature advanced 3D LiDAR technology for navigation algorithms. Key features of the Go2 include a 4D LiDAR developed by Unitree, offering wide-angle recognition with minimal blind spots and a detection distance as low as 0.05 meter. Integrated AI capabilities, powered by GPT, enhance the robot's perception of its surroundings, enabling it to make informed decisions based on sensor data. Moreover, the Go2 boasts improved battery life and autonomy, thanks to a long-lasting 15,000 mAh battery providing 2 to 4 hours of operation. Its motors have been upgraded to provide increased torque, reaching a maximum of 45 Nm. The ISS 2.0 Intelligent Side Follow system ensures precise positioning and allows for remote control up to 30 meters away. With enhanced connectivity features such as a 4G module, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, the Go2 offers seamless communication capabilities. Notably, it holds the title of the fastest robot dog on the market, capable of reaching speeds of up to 18 km per hour. The latest marvel from Kepler Exploration Robot, the Kepler Forerunner series, has been unveiled, introducing the Kepler humanoid robot. Standing tall at 178 centimeters and weighing 85 kilograms, This cutting-edge creation features a highly adept hand with 12 degrees of freedom. With a total of 40 degrees of freedom across its entire body, it excels in navigating challenging terrain, adeptly avoiding obstacles, executing intricate hand movements, effortlessly lifting and transporting heavy loads, coordinating hand-eye movements, and engaging in intelligent communication. At its core lies a system akin to Tesla's Optimus, employing state-of-the-art planetary roller screw actuator and rotary actuator technology. This empowers the robot with sophisticated body articulation, precise hand manipulation, and advanced visual perception, positioning it as a formidable competitor to Tesla's Optimus in the realm of humanoid robotics. The Cyber One, a humanoid creation by Xiaomi, a prominent Chinese electronics manufacturer, stands impressively tall at approximately 177 centimeters and weighs around 52 kilograms. With 21 degrees of freedom, it replicates human movements with remarkable precision. Powered by Xiaomi's in-house developed MySense depth vision module and AI interaction algorithm, the Cyber One perceives its surroundings in vivid 3D. Adept at recognizing individuals, gestures, and expressions. Further bolstering its environmental awareness are Xiaomi's proprietary MyAI environment semantics recognition engine and vocal emotion identification engine, enabling it to discern 85 types of environmental sounds and categorize 45 human emotions accurately. Featuring processing units coupled with a curved OLED module, the Cyber One provides real-time interactive information display. Capable of lifting weights up to 1.5 kilograms with its arms, it exhibits potential utility in tasks such as carrying groceries. However, it's important to recognize that while the Cyber One serves as a technological showcase and a platform for broader research and development endeavors, Xiaomi has not yet committed to mass-producing it. The company's vision, though, underscores its commitment to advancing in the realm of intelligent robotics, with plans to integrate the showcase technology into future Xiaomi products. While the availability of Cyber One for purchase remains uncertain, Xiaomi remains steadfast in its belief that intelligent robots will inevitably become part of people's lives, reaffirming its dedication to progress in this burgeoning field. Xiaomi unveiled its latest leap into future tech on 21 August 2021 with CyberDog, a bio-inspired quadruped robot. This open-source marvel represents Xiaomi's engineering excellence, inviting developers worldwide to explore its potential. CyberDog marks Xiaomi's debut in quadruped robotics, inviting enthusiasts to collaborate and compete in propelling its development. Fueled by Xiaomi's servo motors, CyberDog boasts remarkable speed, agility, and versatility for a range of dynamic movements. At its core, CyberDog harnesses the power of NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX platform, processing vast data streams seamlessly. With 11 high-precision sensors, CyberDog mirrors biological organisms, enabling enhanced interaction and environmental awareness. Xiaomi introduced the CyberDog in August 2023, an advanced robot dog proficient in backflips, skateboarding, and playing fetch. With proportions resembling a Doberman, this sleeker, more intelligent version allows users to customize it using 3 USB Type-C ports and an HDMI connector. Unlike its predecessor, the CyberDog exhibits behavior akin to a real puppy, adept at sensing and responding to its owner's needs and emotions. Its empathy imbues it with a human-like disposition, evident in nuanced body language. For instance, it joyfully wags its tail when its owner is happy.